Once upon a time there was a bop who had a dream to break the bop record. He worked tirelessly, training every day and pushing his bop limits. Finally the day of the bop competition arrived. The bop stepped onto the stage, surrounded by a crowd of amazed spectators, all eager to witness the incredible bop attempt. As the countdown began, the bop took a deep breath and unleashed a powerful bop that resonated throughout the entire venue. The energy in the room was electrifying. The bop kept going, bop after bop, without a single break, showing incredible determination and strength. The spectators cheered loudly, their enthusiasm filling the air. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, the bop completed his record-breaking feat. The crowd erupted into thunderous applause, celebrating the bop's tremendous achievement. The bop had proven that with bop dedication and perseverance anything is possible.